is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we have one made in South Korea for the U.S. market. This is Paldo's Teum. What does it say here? Are you scared? No. No. No, I'm not scared. However, this one I've had many times. It's just new packaging. I'm not going to do a mukbang of this. I think I might do the mukbang of the next one. Here's the noodle block. Here's our powder veggies. And here is our red spicy powder. It's the red dust. It takes care of the aliens. The aliens can't live with the red dust. You know what I'm talking about? If you don't, you're sorely lacking in your sci-fi curriculum, and I highly recommend that you watch a program that came out in the 80s, not the reboot. The reboot's good, but called V. Good stuff. Okay, so this is gonna go for 5 minutes. Start. Oh, you go there. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna tell you why this one on the website is being called US. Even though if you're seeing this on my blog, then it already says why in the intro to the review. Where is it? There it is. Let's see if you can see that. Is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Right there. See that? Export. Paldo. Teum, US. There you go. Now, on the back of it, is there anything in Korean on the back of it other than that little stub next to it? Yeah, everything's in English. It's got a standard nutrition facts. It doesn't have it next to it in... Oh wait, is that Spanish? There's like 3 sets of nutrition facts on this. And they're in English, French, and another one. And I'm guessing that these are exported not just to the US, but elsewhere as well. Generally, what I will do with something like that is call it from the source countries by that name, that it would be from South Korea. And it is indeed from South Korea, but you will not be able to buy this in this package looking exactly like this in South Korea. No way. Not happening. So, yeah. Yeah. Well, so that's that. We've got 3 minutes left. I'm tempted to show you the Christmas tree right now, but I think I'm going to do that on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and, yeah. So we're supposed to get snow this week. It's supposed to get bitter cold. Yeah. I don't know. It's going to be hard to walk in that. I do have these little... Oh, what do they call them? Something. They're like yak tracks or something like that. And basically, you just put them on over your shoes. They're like rubber bands, but they've like got little studs, like studded tires in the bottom. I've like walked a long ways wearing those. I was mainly really worried that they would just fall off, but they don't fall off. They stay on your feet as long as you put them on correctly. A couple points to notice. You probably don't hear me use the term ramen hack. Somebody mentioned in the Ramen Junkies group, you can add a pat of butter to your ramen noodles and make them, you know, thicker and creamier. It does these two things to it. This guy, I swear to God, Anyways, yeah, it's a little hack for you. You know what? It's funny because it's not a hack. That's like the people who call pizza za. Do you know about those people? Or the people who call guacamole guac. Dude, why? It's not a hack. It's a recipe. Something to try. A hack denotes like, hey, clever. It's like, dude, you're putting butter in ramen. I don't know. You know what ramen I put butter in? Miso. Corn and butter go in miso. There are a lot of different ramen varieties you can find, at least instants, that come with little dehydrated butter pats, which is really weird. They work somewhat good, but they kind of taste more like that movie theater butter popcorn, microwavable popcorn, but like to the nth degree. It's just too much. So I just use regular butter. And as far as like going for unsalted rather than salted, God, the whole area where I take pictures is completely coated in sunlight. But yeah, it's salty already. Why does, you know, the butter's not gonna like kill you. You're already gonna die. So, one and, oh, why am I thinking of turning off my video? Okay. That is done. And here's our bloody boiling hot spicy. Are you scared? I'm not scared. I don't have the fear. The only thing we have to fear is Cully's World's Hottest Ramen, and we don't even have that anymore because that stuff's off the market. That, I will say, is something that would strike a little bit of fear in me. That's like hours of gut pain. Although I think if I would have done what I've done with others, I'd just eat some bread. But here we are. Cheers. Broth. It's got some heat. It is on my top 10 spicy list. Verdict is, this is not the one that I've had that actually got on the top 10 spicy list. There's no way. I really hope you guys haven't all of a sudden decided to make the, ooh, the sun is getting clouded over. I better hurry. They had like a 9700 Scoville unit hot one. And that was really hot, and that's what's on my top 10 spiciest list for 2023. I'm wondering now if they decided to roll back on the heat a little bit, possibly because it was just too hot for people, you know? I hope not. Because I gotta have stuff that's like really, really hot. But it's like all these hot and spicy things are getting less hot and less spicy, it seems like. Oh man. Here comes the sun. Da, 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 da. Here comes the sun. Da, 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 da. Sorry, Beatles. I'm gonna do 2 slices of chassu today because it just. Do I? No. We're safe. No, we have to. Because the next one I'm doing is chilkin. You guys like the chilk? I like the chicken. There you go. And then, I remember doing a photo shoot, and this nice lady was over taking pictures of me. And I just started I use that thing on Noodles all the time. I just started using it. She's like, whoa, stop. Warn me when you're going to do something cool. I thought that was pretty neat. Yeah, that was a fun inclusion. There's a there's that Buy Nothing Kenmore group around here where it's like everybody just has stuff they want to get rid of for free. And somebody has an 8-inch star that was from the Mall of America at an Apple store that they don't want. And they're like, what are you going to use it for? I'm like, I'll use it on my show, Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So hopefully she says, dude, come and get it. It's in Uplake. Where the hell is Uplake? I don't know. Maybe she'll meet me at the grocery store. You know, because I walk everywhere, but Christ, it can't be that far. I walk everywhere. And then we've got, ooh, the sun is running away from the window. Here, look at the Christmas tree for a second. I'm going to take a picture of this while the sun is gone. That is the thing to do. Close. Crap. Whew. I don't know if you saw that, but the sun is back. Wow. That was a lucky one. In the next episode, I'll go through and show you all the ornaments. There's some weird stuff on there. Definitely, I think you'll enjoy it. Or else. Well, let's let Rotato do its thing. I don't want to deprive Rotato of the groovy fun. But yeah, in the next episode, you will get to see the stuff of the tree. Here we go. Let's change the music too. You know, I wish I could find a really good way just to dead center these things. Because if I could do that, I could use them in intros and outros, just like the bowl spinning. I've done it before. Very hard to get that set up just right. Well, the next episode you're going to see will feature Christmas tree ornaments. And what is it? March now for you? Good God. Probably my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Anyways, this is the Bulldog Quattro cheese. Artificial spicy chicken sauce flavor noodle. And that'll be on the show tomorrow. And I think maybe there will be a mukbang. I don't know. I don't feel like eating a big old bowl of noodles or a plate of noodles today. But I guess I could just point it to the... We'll see what happens. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.